above all things, pure in all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man. You were here before the world began. Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, above all wonders the world has ever known, above all wealth and treasures of the earth, there's no way to measure of your worth. Crucified, lay behind the stone, laid to die, rejected and like your own. Mabuhay siyang muli. Nakulit at kabuhan at katapatan ng Diyos sa atin. Tunay nga na nabuhay pong muli ang ating Panginoon sa ikatlong araw. At hindi na siya namatay muli. Maaaring ngayon inaalala lang po natin yung ginawa niya 2,000 years ago. Pero hindi na po siya namatay muli. Siya ay nabuhay. Hanggang ngayon buhay. At magpakailan pa man buhay ang ating Panginoon na siyang pinaglilingkuran po natin. Kaya minsan pa po, abang po lang, hallelujah. Above all powers, above all needs, above all nature and all created things,